I would say so far they're Sprite. Please behave. Sprite. Okay, you're tickling him. Okay, good job. So far I would say the new bird is getting along just fine, right? And I have to name you because I haven't named you yet. But we'll be yes, we'll be naming. Don't follow them. You'll get hurt. You still have to learn your way around this place. Yep, yep. Okay, that's yourself right there. Okay, let's go right here now. I'll put you in the cage. Go down. You wanna go down? There's Snowflake. Luna. All right. Say bye to the camera. Say bye to the camera. Let's go with the other three musketeers. There you go.